again. When he wants to do everything for the sake of the Creator and not for his own sake. Here, the body resists with all its might, since it argues, "Why do you want to put me and my domain to death? You come to me with having to work only for the sake of the Creator and not for one's own sake, which is truly annulment of the will to receive from everything. You tell me that our sages said the Torah exists only in one who puts himself to death over it, meaning to put to death all the domain of self-benefit and care only for the benefit of the Creator. And before this, a person is unable to be rewarded with the Torah. Yet, a person sees that it is unrealistic that he will have the strength to go against nature. At that time, one has no choice but to turn to the Creator and say, "Now I have come to a state where I see that unless you help me, I am lost. I will never have the strength to overcome the will to receive, as this is my nature. Rather, only the Creator can give another nature."
How can we build inside ourselves, inside each and every one of us, and inside all of us together, the fact that in each and every moment we have to turn to the Creator with a request, and the more we turn, and really to fill all of our time with that, the more our requests will be directed, arranged to one Creator, as much as we can envision this spiritual form, or more correctly put, spiritual quality, the more we will succeed. And again, it's a prayer. How do we try to be, as it says, "I wish they would pray all day long"? How do we, let's suppose today we go out into a day of disconnection after the morning lesson. How does each and every one of us feel that he's obliged to be the shatz, that all the group tells him, "Today you have to pray for us"? We are putting our good fortune in your hands. How will we force every friend to be this way? It's something that breaks down all the walls, all the boundaries, both between us and also between us and the Creator. Prayer is all there is. How will we do it? Please. Maybe you have to organize it corporeally, or what should you do so that really everyone will feel that he has to, that behind him there are hundreds or even thousands of friends like little children that rely on him, that depend on him, that are dependent on him, and that he has to. How can I really feel responsibility, as pain in the heart, as concern that exists in me all the time? How can I do it? This is actually our entire force of advancement toward the goal. How can I feel responsibility for having to pray for everyone? Everything's achieved only in prayer. The prayer has to be only prayer in public, meaning for the public, at least for the 10, or the entire soul of Adam HaRishon. How can I feel responsible for it? This is actually my entire role. This is all of my spiritual work, saving my soul. How can we help each other in being alert and feeling this inner restlessness all the time that we're not concerned enough with it? Please.